it's really getting really crazy outside right now. So in Arizona it's raining and you can see the weather outside. Now this is really crazy outside. I'm so scared. We're gonna check outside right now, and well, I'm gonna go outside and see what's going on. So I'm just gonna do this. Oh! Thanks. Well, look at the weather actually. Ah! Oh, damn. I don't know where my grandmother is, but she's probably out there, just whatever got stuck out there. Well, let's get inside. Yeah, the electricity went off, so I guess we had to wait for a while, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So, whatever we're gonna do, I guess we have to chill, relax, and whatever, wait for grandmother. So, I think we should go outside. Whoop! That thing's still out there. Yeah. Well, it's cloudy out there anyway, so it's coming out. Over here, it's just really raining outside anyway. But there goes the firefighters. Whoa, actually, that's a little. Wait, that's too loud. 5 minutes ago, yeah, just 5 minutes ago, electricity went on. So I'm really glad that they turned back on the lights and everything. Like, you know, including my grandma came back from from groceries with my aunt, so to get some food, and it it rained for like an hour and a half in Arizona, and electricity went off for 30 minutes or 35 minutes. So we kind of got a little bit got scared, but it's a good thing we're fine now, and I'm glad the electricity went off, so it's a good thing. The cooler's back on, so I can breathe some fresh air. So I want you guys, thank you guys for watching my video, and I'm just trying to be safety out there where you're driving, like the weather. So I hope you guys stay safe. So